I've got some old cats. They're pretty old. And she's had a lot of litters, one of them. And she's been around here for a long time. I'd say 20 years, getting close to it, maybe. She's real old. I've been feeding her out on top of a trailer here. She's laying right up there. And I'm gonna try to take care of her a little better, so I'm gonna try to build a 4x4x4 feeding place on the bottom of it, covered to this side, because that's where the weather comes from, that direction. And maybe a little bit to this side, where she can go back in here and eat. But I want to put the top of it up here. I want to get a space up here above it, covered off, that she might get up in and sleep, or she can get up in and rest and look around, because that's what she likes to do. I'm getting it squared up. I'm driving the post out. I'm just putting one screw to the board, except for these top ones here. And I'm using old lumber because I'm cheap, some of it, but it's all old treated lumber. Pretty good shape. Kind of a floor in it today. And then box out around these bottoms, pour concrete in them. We'll put screws in where we're gonna put the concrete in. And once we put the dirt back on top of it there, it'll shovel it in or whatever I do, fill it back up. And I'll use the excavator all I can, put it over close to it, break it in. Fix it all back. I want it to look like it just stuck in the ground right here. Check it over here.
I don't think she's got anything to worry about. You can't say that she ain't loved. Oh, we love our fur babies.
What do you mean?
Making her a hole where she can get up or down into her condo. It's a condo floor, ain't it, Amy?
Yeah.
So we got both floors on, both floors.
Got it all leveled up.
All leveled up.
Both floors.
We got her more lumber from Lowe's. Hi, little girl. Nice. Boards down for the metal. She finally showed up to see what's going on. This side open.
I'm debating let that come on over since I feed there, let that metal come on over a little bit farther. I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to do or not, but I'm going to let the metal on that side come farther.
There's Larry. There's Oliver. And Babe went that way. That's 3 of the babies down here. They like to go down there and squirrel hunt. Little squirrels. They look really good. Gonna put J-channel and stuff around the hole, keep it from. We got it to use, so we'll use it.
Perfect. I got one in it. Let me try and put another. Perfect. Latch it down. Reason I'm not putting any more in this bottom part is I'm going to fix to put quarter round on it. Not quarter round, I keep calling it quarter round.
Door or whatever you want to call it. There's little girl. There she is. This is who we made it for. Didn't see her the last day or two. Just don't never know when you.
I'm going to go latch it. Do get tired when this saw starts going. You'll say,
Yeah.
that's too much for me. I can't handle that.
He'll take off here just in a
I
second.
think he will.
Yep. No, not too bad. He ain't running, put it that way.
Just got to draw the picture.
This is the finished product, people. We put straw up there for them to lay in. There's a box on the upper level. And then right here is a hole where they can go down into their step right there. Step down and into here. And then they eat from down here. So